Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to teach you the tricks to remember the atomic mass numbers of elements having the atomic number 1 to 20. If you are ready, let's get started. Before starting, let me tell you that I have a video of the periodic table song of elements 1 to 30. You can refer that video to learn the periodic table elements of atomic number 1 to 30. I will give the link in the description and also above. So now, what is our trick? So before going inside our trick, you should know what are the odd numbers and what are the even numbers. I think all of you must know. So what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Right? These are the even numbers. Next, the trick is for elements which are having the atomic number as odd number. For odd number, you should use the formula 2 into atomic number 2 into atomic number plus 1. Okay, so next, for the elements which are having the atomic number as even, you should use the formula 2 into atomic number. So always there will be exceptions, right? So here too we have some kind of exceptional cases. So the elements which are having the atomic number 1, 4, 7, 17 and 18, we will not use these kind of tricks. Okay, for these two numbers there will be a trick, but these three you have to just remember what is the mass number. I will give you a trick to remember this even. So 1, you can change the 1 like this, right? 1, 4, then you can change the 7. Okay, 7. If you can remember 7, you just have the another. Next, you can remember the next number 17. What is the after number of 17? 18. Okay, these are the exceptions: 1, 4, 7, 17 and 18. I will teach the exceptions after. Okay, exceptions I will teach you after. First, let's go with the trick. So helium, it has the atomic number 2. So 2 is an even number. So what's our trick? 2 into atomic number, right? So let me prove that this trick actually works. So 2 into atomic number. So our trick is 2 into atomic number. Okay, so 2 into atomic number is 2. So our answer is 4. Okay, next we have lithium. So its atomic number is 3. So 3 is an odd number. Odd number, what's the trick? 2 into atomic number plus 1. So 2 into what's the atomic number? 3 plus 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1. So our answer is 7. Okay. Next 4. Remember, always keep in mind the exceptions. Okay, or just note it down while you are going with the atomic mass numbers. Okay, so always remember the exception. So 4 is actually an exception for us, but there is a trick I will tell you after. Okay. Next, 5th one, boron. So 5 is an odd number, right? So 2 into 5 plus 1. 10 plus 1 gives you 11. 11 is our mass number. Next, 6 is a even number. 2 into 6, 12. 7 is an exception. Okay, just remember it. We will go with that after finally. Okay. Next, oxygen, 8. So 8 is an even number. 2 into 8. 16 is our mass number. Next, 9, fluorine. So 9 is an odd number. 2 into 9 plus 1. 19 is our mass number. Then 10 is a even number. 2 into 10. 20 is our mass number. 2 into atomic number, which gives you the mass number, which is 20. Next, sodium. Sodium. So 11 is a odd number. 2 into 11 plus 1. 22 plus 1 is 23. Magnesium. It's an even number. 12 into 2, right? So 12 into 2 gives you 24. Next, aluminium. Aluminium, 13 is a odd number. 13 into 2 plus 1. 13 into 2. 26 plus 1 gives you 27. Next, silicon. 14 is a even number. So 14 into 2. 14 into 2. 28. 28 is the mass number. Next, we have phosphorus. So 15 is a odd number. 2 into 15 plus 1. 15 into 2. 30. So 30 plus 1. Yeah, 31, right? Sulfur. 16 is a even number. So 16 into 2. 16 into 2. 32 is our answer. So here you have to, I will go with it after, okay. Finally, I will go with chlorine and argon. Potassium. So 19 is an odd number. 19 into 2 plus 1. 19 into 2. 38 plus 1. 39. 20 is a even number. 20 into 2, which is 40, right? 20 into 2, which gives you 40. Now let's go with the exceptions, okay? So hydrogen, the mass number is 1. I think most of you guys know that, right? Mass number is 1. Atomic number is also 1. So beryllium, you have a trick here. So 4 is actually what? Even number. But you should use the trick which we use for odd numbers. Odd number trick you have to use here. Okay, understood? 4 is actually an even number, right? But you have to use the trick of odd number, that is 2 into atomic number plus 1. Okay, 2, that is 2 into 4 plus 1. 8 plus 9, sorry, 8 plus 1 gives you 9. Okay, this is the mass number of beryllium. Next, our exception is 7. So 7 is actually an odd number, right? 7 is actually an odd number. But you should use the trick of even number. That is 2 into atomic number. So what's it? 2 into 7, which gives you 40. For chlorine and argon, there is no trick, guys. You have to just remember the numbers. 35.5. Here you have 40. Okay. 35.5. Everything is 5. Then 35 plus 5 gives you 40, right? Just remember like that. Okay. There is no trick. So that's a trick. Hope you guys can understand. Now let's sum up what we have learned. So we have learned how to find the mass numbers, right? So you should know what are the odd numbers, you should know what are the even numbers, then what's the formula of odd number and what's the formula of even number. Then mainly you should remember the exceptions, and you should know how you should apply the exceptions for 4 and 7. So 4 is actually an even number, but we apply the formula of odd number. So then 7 is actually a odd number, but we apply the formula of even number. If you guys can understand, please like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.